question about iridology. Okay, to me, one of the most underrated skill to have is reading the eye, because the eyes don't lie. The eyes don't lie. Okay, we know the saying goes, this, the soul, the eyes are the gateway to the soul, something like that, and the eyes don't lie. It's true, the eyes don't lie, but it also will tell you is everything you need to know about your the strength of your tissues or weaknesses. It's a reflection. It shows you everything, and it's pretty. It's accurate. I mean, I've never done one so far, and I've done thousands of eyes. I've read thousands of eyes that did not hit it on the dot. Okay, so it tells you what's weak, and you can see if you have like for instance, if you have a thyroid issue, you'll be able to see if it's really a thyroid issue or if it's a pituitary gland or hypothalamus issue. It shows in the eye immediately. So rather than waste your time targeting the thyroid, you could be targeting the pituitary gland and the hypothalamus, and you get better results. Okay, just like if you have a knee pain, it will show. It will show there's obstructions in the knee. Okay, it doesn't show diseases. It just shows weaknesses and strengths. But then you can correlate the two together and see to yourself, oh, well, I have weak pancreas. That's why I can't digest food. It makes sense, right?